How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix your CS2 mic not working. So the first thing that you actually want to do is to head over Steam, and in here you want to navigate through the Steam setting, and then once inside, scroll down and there's going to be voice. Just make sure that you have selected everything that is your microphone. So as of right now, I'm using my Razer Kraken USB condenser microphone. You want to go ahead and select that, and you could simply choose a voice output device right here if you want to, but generally you just want to test this out to see if it's working. Hello, mic test. So as you can see, it works perfectly on my end, and you could choose open microphone, push to talk, and push to mute. From there, head over to Counter-Strike 2. So let's just wait for this to load in a couple of seconds. And simply inside Counter-Strike 2, once again, head over to setting, click on something like audio, and just make sure that you have selected the right microphone once again. So click on the voice input audio device, select your microphone. In my case, once again, it's going to be Razer Kraken, and then you can see your microphone right here. So just make sure that everything works perfectly. You can also select push to talk or open microphone if you want to, but from there you should be good to go. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. And as always, thanks for watching.